Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning, 8:43, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 708. Asia and Europe. Asia down on COVID surge, Europe mixed. A couple up, a couple down. Not really much action there. Most everything in the 1 to 0.2% move in either direction. China taking another swipe at Jack Ma. Alibaba, $2.8 billion fine for antitrust. Baba doesn't really think it's going to mean anything to it in dollars and cents, but it continues to show just how they're trying to keep him in place, and that's a pretty strong signal. The White House is having a global chip shortage summit today. I expect absolutely nothing out of that, except more rhetoric. Yeah, we need more chips. Yeah, just in time doesn't work so great when you don't have a constant flow through the supply chain. Microsoft buying Nuance. Nuance is the producer of that thing you see every year advertised on TV from Thanksgiving to Christmas, which is Dragonword. It's actually a very strong AI company, and I guess Microsoft wants that. It's a small deal for them, $56 a share in cash, or about $16 billion. Powell, more yammering about how rates are going to stay low, and Archivos didn't cause a systemic problem, and exactly more of the same. Uber bookings higher. The stock is $59.59, up $1.91 or 3.3%. Tesla upgraded at Canaccord to a buy from a hold. The stock is $685.99. That's up $8.97 or 1.3%. And Signet, the mall-based jeweler, down from 135, 140 a couple of years ago, down to single digits. Today, $63.98, up $2.90 on first quarter and full fiscal year 21 guidance raised. So a little bit of a positive for them. This is a company that was just devastated by fraud and bad market. It was at one point the most complained about company for the federal government's watchdog list. As far as the futures, not a lot of news around, and so the Dow futures are showing down about 47 right now, NASDAQ down 35, S&P down 6. This is not a bad start for a week that was so strong before it, and in fact the week before that. We do start some earnings in the next day or so, and I think that they're probably going to show up to be pretty good. But for example, in the financials, you have companies like Bank of America, BAC, up 10 weeks in a row with no pullbacks. So, a lot of these companies are already priced in any good news that can come, unless it's just exceptional. And frankly, I don't expect that. Chart on the screen is the gold, and it is down again, not much, down $4. Which is, less than 0.25%. It is hanging in this support area around 1725 to 1730. I'd really like to see it go through the top here. This high on Friday was 1758, and on Thursday was 1759.4. So a move through 1760 would really help this chart. We're in the silver, which looks a little better than that, and is down 16 cents. Not much there. Bitcoin has turned higher a bit in the last couple of days, And as you can see on the daily, this is the 4-month. We've been in a consolidation here. I had this in my letter over the weekend as this chart, the weekly, that shows this big area of consolidation and a breakout again, like the breakout here, like the breakout here after the same type of consolidations. So this looks like it's probably going to go and make a really solid new high. Right now we are 61,945, and we'll see how this plays out. I personally favor Ethereum. I don't have a chart on it, but I will show you the chart of the actual stock. It's another one of the grayscale trusts, and as you can see, it looks like it's about ready to break out again. This is Ethereum, which is the crypto that is used primarily in the NFT. I shouldn't say it that way. It's not used primarily in the EFT. It's the EFT primarily uses Ethereum, and there is a fair amount more commerce involved here. I kind of liken it to the gold and silver. If you can't trade the one that's 50, maybe you trade the one that's 20 and look for a catch-up. But this chart absolutely stands on its own. As you can see, there's a nice trend line here. We're above the moving averages, and I think this will work higher. All right, everyone, be careful out there. I'll be back this afternoon, and don't forget to subscribe.